These are the review of the control measures used in the gym session risk assessment. So the risk assessment aims were to state the likely risks in the environment and find ways to minimise those risks or even eliminate them altogether, so that when we came to do the session it would be as safe as possible for both client and coach. Another aim was to make the session safe while on the machines and while using the free weights, with the way they were used, the way they were picked up and then put back down, and how the client did that. The objectives for this session were obviously, once those risks had been minimised, to just make sure that they didn't occur during the session, so we could complete it as quickly and as safely as possible. Another objective was to make sure the client felt safe with all the activities set, and if she struggled with any, that I would be able to help her and just make sure that there weren't any big issues. Again, just try and spot the risks. If I can see something might be going the wrong way, just to step in and help out with the client, and just make sure there's clear instructions and clear communication at all times to the client, so she knows exactly what she's doing. The control measures already were in place. Obviously, if there's any sort of fire, press the alarm, notify the staff. And then an added measure was to just get off the machine immediately or just step away so the client wouldn't get hurt. If there was an injury, report it to the gym staff. And then obviously I just said stay near the piece of equipment so they know what you've done, what sort of equipment it happened on. If a machine breaks or malfunctions, just get off that machine and then try and explain to the staff what happened, or why it wasn't working. And then pulled muscles, just stop the activity. I mean, that's really already in place. If you feel any pain, just stop, and then you tell the coach or any of the gym staff and they'll be able to help you out. One of the main control measures which will be in use for the gym session is the coach will be there supervising at all times. So if there is anything that comes up that's an issue or anything that happens, the coach will be there to help out and just make sure nothing serious happens.